Have you seen the new community designed to turn you and your teams into software development superstars? Want to know how to build a more effective relationship with your developers? And what is the hidden cost of production downtime? Find out in this episode of the Automation and DevSecOps New Show for the week of May 15th. So grab your favorite cup of coffee or tea and let's do this. This episode is sponsored by the awesome folks at Applitools. Are you looking to take your automation projects to the next level? Look no further than Applitools and the visual AI validation testing platform. Trust me, it's a game changer. Plus, you could try it yourself by creating a free account now. Just click on the special link in the comment down below and see the difference for yourself. So in our first breaking news item, I'm excited to bring you the news of Tricentis' latest innovation, a brand new community platform called ShiftSync. This was designed with quality engineering enthusiasts in mind, and ShiftSync is your hub for all things across the software development spectrum. So if you're a developer, tester, or DevOps specialist passionate about creating robust, secure end-to-end products and fostering high-performing development teams, ShiftSync is waiting for you. So this is a community that covers all aspects of the software development lifecycle, from the code, performance, and security to the requirements, accessibility, and usability. Their vision is to foster high-quality standards throughout the entire software development lifecycle. So it's really important nowadays with the high-speed world we live in, with development teams often grappling with limited time, resources, and expert knowledge to deliver solid, secure products. And I know a lot of teams really want to evolve to new test practices and discover innovative solutions. And that's why Tricentis created ShiftSync. It's going to be an interactive space for developers, testers, and DevOps specialists to share insights, connect with peers, and elevate the quality of your development process. There's also going to be a very active discussion forum for seeking advice and finding answers to some of your most challenging questions. They're going to have engaging educational videos, hands-on tutorials, and event recordings to keep you updated. I believe they're also going to have exclusive events section featuring free training, masterclasses, and webinars tailored to their community, and also comprehensive training and certification programs via the Tricentis Academy to help you elevate your skills to new heights. So I highly recommend you join the ShiftSync community now with the link down below and let me know what you think. In the latest open source testing news, Serenity.js, the open source testing framework, has just released a new version. So the new version 3.20 now includes the latest WebdriverIO v8. This significant update comes with Serenity.js initial support of WebdriverIO from its 2.30 version. For those unfamiliar with Serenity.js, it's a testing framework designed to accelerate acceptance and regression testing for complex software systems, and it aims to make the process faster, more collaborative, and easier to scale. And this integration with WebdriverIO is an essential step in this direction, enhancing the capabilities of the testing suite. I'm also told this upgrade provides multiple benefits for WebdriverIO test suites, including in-depth test execution reports, limit documentation, and the screenplay pattern API, making your test code portable and reusable. So if you're using WebdriverIO, I highly recommend you check out Serenity.js. If you're using Serenity.js, definitely check out WebdriverIO. I think your test suite's going to become that more awesome. So definitely check it out. And I also recently came across an Agile TD Zone conversation hosted by the awesome Tristan Lombard with Lisa Crispin, co-founder of Agile Testing Fellowship, and Larissa, a senior IT executive and quality leader, discussing strategies to improve relationships and communications within software development teams. And they drop a lot of tips and knowledge that help you enhance software quality and productivity within your teams. Why should you care about communication with the developers? Well, they point to a recent study that attributed poor communication to an annual loss of $1.2 trillion for U.S. businesses, or nearly $12,506 per employee. So the experts highlight the need to unlearn ineffective strategies such as maintaining a siloed approach to testing. And they also recommend promoting a mindset of bug prevention over detection and initiating early involvement in user stories to prevent conflicts. They also stress the importance of shifting away from QA versus dev approach and focusing on the overall value delivered to customers instead of merely counting test scripts or bugs found. And throughout the conversation, Lisa and Larissa emphasized the importance of encouraging a whole team transformation to a DevOps culture. And to dive into this really into detail, I highly recommend the full discussion for further insights. And thank you, Tristan, as always, for pointing this awesome resource out to me. So when I was at the Selenium Conf this year, I got a chance to sit with some awesome people like Simon Stewart, who is the creator of Selenium WebDriver, and also Jim Evans. And they kept talking about WebDriver BiDi. So anytime I see WebDriver BiDi now, I bubble it up as something important that I should listen to, and I think you should too as well. And that's where this next news item comes in. And so in a status update last week, Matthias reports on the advancements of WebDriver BiDi. If you don't know, it's a browser automation protocol that bridges the gap between the WebDriver Classic and Chrome DevTools protocol, combines the interoperability of WebDriver with the efficiency and power of CDP. And a significant feature unlocked by WebDriver BiDi is logging support, enabling automated verification of web pages loading without console logs. And definitely check out the article for more info. Are you ready to explore the future of functional testing? Well, I have a webinar resource from yours truly at the Test Guild. And this is a webinar we're hosting on OpenText's AI-powered platform ValueEdge. So you're going to discover how their trailblazing functional testing software is changing the game in test automation. Whether you're already harnessing AI testing or just starting your automation journey, our experts, Lior and Chris Trimper, have got you covered. So I invite you to join us on May 23rd to learn more about the latest innovations in OpenText functional testing, to see how AI is optimizing modern automation practices, and get introduced to the ValueEdge functional test. I highly recommend you register for this event and a lot of the innovations that have been going on with UFT that you probably may not have seen. And if you haven't, I highly recommend you join it because I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised. All right, I also wanted to give you a quick update on the status of my new book, Automation Awesomeness. And I just wanted to share with you the book cover. It's finalized. I've uploaded it to Amazon. I think it looks awesome. And I'm really happy with the formatting of the book. Unfortunately, to do this on a Kindle version is very difficult, but the paperback and hardback versions, I'm going to have this awesome kind of graphic or theme throughout, which I think looks really cool. It makes the book even more engaging. So if you haven't already, definitely click on the link down below and join the book launch team. I'm aiming for a May 30th launch. So you may be asking why May 30th for the book launch? Because I'm actually going to announce it from the stage at QA or the highway. All right, those that know me know that I don't speak in public often. It's usually always online. But this is my chance to give probably the first and only keynote I'm ever going to give. It's going to be at QA the Highway on May 30th. I'm going to be doing the closing keynote. Really excited to meet Raj finally face-to-face, who's doing the open keynote. And it's going to have a great lineup of speakers that you definitely should check out if you're in the area. I highly recommend you register for that down below. And I'm going to be giving away, I'm going to order 100, maybe more. I don't know how many people would actually want the book. So I'm probably going to print out 100 books and then give them away for free at the event. So extra incentive to hopefully see you there. Do you know what the hidden cost of production downtime is? Well, I have an awesome resource for you to explain this in detail. So Ron actually pointed this out to me. He's running a webinar that discusses strategy for maintaining robust DevOps pipeline and minimizing mean time to resolution for production issues in the fintech sector. So we're going to have featured speakers like Thomas Havar from M&T Bank and Joe from Bank of Montreal. And they're going to delve into the hidden costs of production downtime for the financial industry. So this session is going to provide practical insights into handling downtime and end user issues across cloud native and legacy systems that impact on profitability and developer productivity. And it's by my friend Ron Kinsbrunner, so I highly recommend you check it out. And finally, I just wanted to close with a tool I think you're going to find very helpful for CI/CD for security. All right, this is by OpsMX, a leader in intelligent continuous delivery. They've unveiled a industry's first continuous integration, continuous delivery solution for software supply chain security. And the solution offers prevention, resolution, and end-to-end traceability of every application and service delivery. It's set to enhance security posture management in line with NIST cybersecurity framework. All right, for links to everything of value we covered in this news episode, head on over to the links in the first comment down below. And while you're there, make sure to check out our awesome sponsor, Applitools, free account offer, and discover how to take your automation testing to the next level, leveraging visual AI. So that's it for this episode of the Test Guild New Show. I'm Joe. My mission is to help you succeed in creating end-to-end, full stack, full pipeline automation awesomeness. As always, test everything and keep the good. Cheers.